Welcome back. This is the day the Lord's made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. In this video, I want to talk about how to solve a half-life question for solving for inside of the natural log. So I think some of the people were having a hard time solving for NT or N naught. So again, our two equations for solving half-lives, we have natural log, parentheses, NT is how much you have now, N naught is how much you had originally. Then we have a K constant on the other side, and the time it's elapsed. To find the K constant, we use this equation here, 0.693 divided by the half-life to give us K. So from our question, the half-life is 2.6 minutes. We take 0.693 divided by 2.6. Our K constant for this one is 0.266. So we can put all the stuff that we have in. Natural log question, we're looking for how much we have now. We had originally given the patient 1,000 milligrams. This is our K constant, and this is the time that's elapsed. So to get rid of the natural log and solve for something inside of it, what you gotta do is you gotta use the E button on your calculator. It's the same button as your natural log. It's just gonna be the opposite. So you push second natural log and raise both sides to the E. When you do that, this E will cancel out this natural log on this side. And so you end up having just the question mark, which we're looking for, how much we have now, divided by the original 1,000. And on the other side, we have E raised to the K times the time that's elapsed. And then you can just solve for this by taking the 1,000 over here and multiplying by this. So in order to get the natural log out, take both sides to the E power, and then you can solve for how much you have now or how much you had originally. Alternatively, another way you could do this is you could take the time that's elapsed, divide by the half-life. This will tell you how many half-lives have actually gone through. So if the half-life is 2.6 minutes and 30 minutes have elapsed, you can just take the time that's elapsed divided by the half-life to find out how half-lives you've gone through. Then, since the half-life is just going to be half it, you can take 0.5, which is half, raised to that. So if you take 0.5 raised to the number of half-lives you went through, just to get you some number. That number you multiply by the original amount, and that'll tell you how much you have left over. All right, I hope that helps. God's peace.